Have you ever wondered what happened to the National Party? For those of you who don't know, the National Party was a political party that ruled during apartheid from 1948 to 1994. Now, what happened to the party? What happened to the members? In the 1994 elections, the National Party got 20% of the votes. In the 1999 elections, they dropped drastically from the 20% to now 6%. In 2000, they were looking to form a merger with the then Democratic Party, the Federal Alliance, and then the National Party. They then formed the Democratic Alliance. In 2001, the National Party felt that this alliance was not working for them, and they removed themselves from this alliance. In 2005, and here's the interesting part, the National Party, which then became the New National Party, then formed a formal merger with the ANC. Yes, they did. They formed a formal merger with the ANC, which allowed for the then leader of the National Party to get a position in Parliament. Martinus van Schalkwyk then became, I think, Minister of Environmental Affairs and Tourism, if I'm not mistaken. So if you look at the current structures in South Africa and how certain things do not make sense, why it is that people like Pieter Groenewald will get positions in Parliament, and why it is that you have the Democratic Alliance, of which some members from the National Party had stayed with the Democratic Alliance, are getting the positions that they are getting, or as I'm going to say, confident in their approach to the new structures in South Africa. Maybe it's because there was an agreement in place with the ANC. Because if the National Party, the Democratic Party then, and the Federal Alliance formed a merger to become the Democratic Alliance, it means that some of their members and some of their voters then joined the Democratic Alliance. If they then separated and then formed a formal merger with the then ANC, it also means that some of the members then moved to the ANC. However, majority of the voters moved to the Democratic Alliance. Hence, the Democratic Alliance grew quite drastically. But we shouldn't be shocked if you look at the positions that's currently been given. That's just my take.
Ecabanga ukuthi abantu abazonda uJacinta abawazi lo mlando ukuthi iNational Party lamabhunu lawa ayihlukumeza abantu abamnyama, ayicindezela abantu abamnyama, lawa ayibulala abantu abamnyama, lawa ababopho Mandela bafoma iDA, baphinde futhi bona abanye ama-members wabo bazojoin i-ANC baze banikwe izikhundla. Ngiyethemba ukuthi labantu abawazi lo mlando, ngoba uJacinta uthe uyohlangana ne-AfriForum kwavela abantu abaningi bakhuluma izinto eziningi. Asike sikhulume ngabantu abathi who sold out ngempela. Abantu bangafike banicindezela iminyaka bese kuthiwa nisebenzisana nabo nina futhi. Mawufunda umlando ukutshela ukuthi ngo-94 uMandela mayitake over baba ku-GNU. Ngo-94 uMandela waba ne-first deputy president okwakuwu former president uThabo Mbeki. Second deputy president yakhe kwaku-FW de Klerk from 94 to 96 ngoba yena wayeka ukuba u-deputy president u-96 ma iqembu lakhe liphuma kwi-GNU le yayikhona leso sikhathi. Yane ngiyethemba labantu abazonda uJacinta abawazi lo mlando, ngoba ukuhlangana kaJacinta ne-AfriForum wenze esikhulu isono. Wedlula labantu ababebulala abantu la eSouth Africa abamnyama. Ukuhlangana kwakhe ne-AfriForum kwedlula i-ANC ukuthi isebenzisane nabantu ababecindezele yona i-ANC for iminyaka. Ukuhlangana nje kaJacinta ne-AfriForum.
I don't know if we should call it March and March or we should call it March and Laugh. Literally, the followers of March and March are the most naive followers you could ever find in the world. Like, you're all just literally following anything. Right now, the The same March and March goes to the Afrikaners that went to say that there's a genocide happening in South Africa. Basically what they're saying black people are killing white people in South Africa. And your March and March followers believe her when she says she went to meet with AfriForum because AfriForum is going to teach her something. Like, how naive can you actually be to believe it? Follow the money. The money never lies. The same Afrikaners represented by AfriForum who are hiring undocumented immigrants. But it's going to teach you something.
Banongcono uJacinta ohlangane nabantu abaqamba amanga ngeSouth Africa kune-ANC ebambisene nabantu kwi-government ababecindezela abantu base-South Africa okwafa abantu ngenxa yabo la eSouth Africa. Ubani ongcono? Ya uJacinta bathi uthengisile, so she sold out. But she sold out who? Kanjani? Ngoba futhi bonke labantu abakhuluma yilabo abamzondayo uJacinta bathola ithuba ukuthi bamzonde noma bathola into abazokhuluma ngayo. Ingakho ngithi mhlawumbe lo mlando oqale ngawabawazi. Same National Party amanye ama-members wafoma i-DA. Same National Party ama-members wakhona aba ingxenye ANC azanikwa izikhundla. But akaze kwathiwa i-ANC has sold out. This is interesting, yes. Abantu kuyibona babecindezela abantu kuyibona babethatha inqumo kwabulawa abantu base South Africa. Uma besebenzisana ne-ANC akwenzekanga iphutha, benzanga nix wrong. Kodwa uJacinta kuyohlangana nabantu abaqamba amanga. Ngoba uqamba amanga nokwenza into eziwu-2 ezehlukene. Laba bebesemandleni becindezela abantu, bafila abantu, bekhona abantu abafa ngenxa yemithetho yayikhona. Bebulawa yiwo lo hulumeni wamabhunu. Kodwa uthi lo hulumeni asebenzisane ne-ANC, there's nothing wrong. uJacinta ubuze nanku umbuzo.
Hi guys, I hope you're good. I hope you're well. I'm recording this video. It's going to be very short because I'm hoping to get some enlightenment and possibly even some thought-provoking answers about some of the videos that we've seen, some people recording. Obviously, majority of people who are criticizing us meeting AfriForum are people that have never even supported March and March, which is expected. But I'd really like to know, when you say that March and March has sold out, what exactly have we sold out? So I asked this question on Facebook and I'm yet to receive an answer. But the one answer that I did get, or two, the first person said we sold out on land of Black people. And I wanted to know, isn't that what you guys are fighting for, or what we are fighting for, to say that South Africans want land back to the hands of the people? But how did we sell out something that we don't own? The other person said that we sold out our blackness. So we've met AfriForum. Does that now mean you're less of a Black person, or I'm less of a Black person? But hopefully we'll get more answers, because I'm really interested to know, when you say we've sold out, what have we sold out? Thank you. So I wanted to ask 2 questions. The next question will be in the next video.
Khona abantu abayireplayile le video kaJacinta. Kodwa akekho phuma nento eqondile ukuthi i-sold out ngokwenza lokho. Ngikusho lokho ngoba ikwivideo engenze ngeviki eliphelile ngibuzile mina ukuthi is it association with white people a position of selling out na? Ngaze ngathi uCIC uhlalaphi? Abantwana bakhe bafunda nabelungu. Kodwa sisho lutho. President Cyril Ramaphosa uhlalaphi? Abantwana bakhe bafunda nabelungu. Asisho lutho nakhona. Asisho lutho. So is it association na? Noma kuba uJacinta mayihlangana nabamhlophe la aqala kube khona icala noma abe sephutheni noma abe kwi-position of selling out ngoba kuJacinta. Kodwa bonke abanye ngaba upresident, ngaba u-CIC, ngaba noma ngoba ubani angahlangana nabamhlophe, ayikho inkinga ngaphandle kaJacinta. So is it association with white people okwenza ukuthi abe kwi-position of selling out? Ukuthi yena uhlangane ne-AfriForum okumenza ukuthi abe kwi-position of selling out na? Mbuze ngobuze ngevike liphelile. Ngaze ngacaphunela ivideo kaPrince Mashele ethi uJulius Malema ukhuluma ukuthi abelungu abathandi kodwa uhlala nabo, iy'ngane zabo ifunda ey'kolweni zabelungu. Uthatha ikusasa ley'ngane zakhe alinikeza abelungu. Cela ukuze ukuphola kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ucomment, ushare, ulike.